Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Math XYZ. So in this video I will present you a demo class. So you have to consider my screen as the blackboard or the whiteboard of the interview room. So first you will go, when the interviewer will ask you to give the demo, first you will go asking their permission. Then you will teach like you are teaching a class of student. So you will go, you will say good morning, then you will ask them the date and write it on the board. Then you have to ask some real life example, like you will introduce the topic, and then you will engage the student. Then you will give some activity or give some task or ask some question. Then you can write the formula or the definition or whatever you are teaching. Then at last you have to give some homework or some question for them to do. Then you will finish the class and you will say thank you and you will erase the board and then come back and continue the interview, question answer interview. So in this video we will teach comparing quantities of class 7 mathematics book NCERT. So let's start the video. Hello students, good morning. What is the date today? Oh, so today's date is 12th July 2024. So tell me, what did you took your lunch today? Oh, don't worry. I will not eat your lunch boxes. You will only eat it. So tell me, Anuj, what did you took today to lunch? Oh, so you have took parathas today. Nice. What did you took today, Gita? You have took parathas. Oh, so anyone else who have taken parathas today to lunch? Oh, Ram, you have also took parathas. So how many parathas did you took today? Oh, you have took 3 parathas. And Anuj, you have 1. Oh, so Ram have 3 times greater appetite than Anuj. So you have to compare to know how many times greater number of parathas does Ram have. So likewise we can compare the height also, like come here, Ram and Anuj. So who is greater in height? Oh, so Ram have greater number of parathas, but Ram height is smaller than Anuj. So we have to compare to know who is taller and who is smaller. So today we will talk about your new chapter, comparing quantities. So let's write in the board, comparing. You also write in your notebooks, quantities. So you know how you will denote the greater than and less than symbol when the height or the number of parathas, or you can say the speed, like you all run in the same speed? No, right? Someone run faster and someone is left behind him. So let's take example of tiger. So can you compete with tiger? The speed of tiger will be higher than you, like he can run 4 times or 5 times speed than you. Yes, so the speed of tiger is greater than. So which will be greater? Where the mouth is open of the symbol. So which side open in this symbol? Left side. So the quantity or the speed or the number of things which is greater, you have to give the symbol the open side to the greater number. Like this is open to a tiger, as tiger's speed is greater than you. So this is a greater than symbol. So what will be the less than symbol? This is our greater than. So what will be the less than symbol? The less than symbol will be, this is greater than, so this is less than. Again we can say Anyone who have taken 1 parathas today? Oh, so Sanjida also took 1 parathas today. So what will be number of paratha of Anuj equal to number of parathas of Sanjida. So this is our equal to sign. This is our greater than sign. Greater than, and this is our less than sign. So you all know about this in your previous class also. So we can compare the quantities, the number of quantities, the height, the speed. So we can also compare ratios, like when we talk about the number of parathas. So number of parathas of Anuj and Ram is, Anuj have 1 paratha and Ram have 3 parathas. So this will be 1:3 ratio. You know about ratio. So you can write it as 1:3. And right now we can talk about how many pen you have, Anuj. So Anuj have 1 pen. And how many pen you have, Sanjida? So Sanjida has 2 pen. So 1:2. This is our paratha. And this is our pen. So we can compare, or we can write a ratio of the number of paratha Anuj and Ram have and the number of pen Anuj and Sanjida have. So you can write it. So you can compare the ratio and tell me which ratio is greater than which one. So you can tell me like seeing the ratio. So first we have to convert the ratio into the fraction. So we can write 1:3 as in fraction 1/3, and we can write 1:2 as 1/2. Also, who can tell me what is a like fraction? Yes, Geeta, you tell me. Yes, so like fraction is that which have same denominator but different numerator. So can you say the denominator of these two fractions are same or not? No, right? Here we have 3 and here we have 2. So first, to compare the fractions, we have to first convert the two fractions into like fraction by equating their denominator. Then only we can compare the numerator and get which fraction is greater than which fraction. So first let's convert the denominator. So we can make the denominator as 6 as the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So we can convert the both fractions denominator as 6. So let's multiply 2 here. 2 here also 2. So it will become 2/6 and 1/2. Here you can multiply 3 to make the denominator 6. So this will become 3/6. So the 1:3 means the parathas ratio will become 2/6 and the ratio of pen become 3/6. So let's write it again. So the parathas become 2/6 and the pen fraction become 3/6. Now can you say which fraction is greater than which one? Yes, now you can say it is the fraction of pen is greater than the fraction of parathas, because the numerator of pen, that is 3, is greater than 2. As the numerator 3 greater than 2, so the fraction 3/6 is greater than the parathas fraction 2/6. So from here you can say that implies the ratio 1:2 is greater than 1:3. This is our ratio of paratha and this is our ratio of pen. So for comparing the ratio, first you have to convert the ratio into fraction, then the fraction into like fraction. If they are not in like fraction, so first you have to convert it into like fraction, then you have to compare the numerator of the two fraction and which one is greater, you have to write it as that is greater than the other one. So this is it. Thank you very much. So this was the demo class. At last you have to erase the. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.